Hello everyone. In this video, we shall take a look at the sensor or agent deployment through the Graphical User Interface in EventTracker. The EventTracker sensor is a single package which will take different command line parameters and gets installed according to that command. The latest MSI installer is now simplified and allows the user to execute the deployment using a single MSI package. The EventTracker sensor or agent can be deployed using methods like Graphical User Interface, Silent Installation, and Active Directory Group Policy Installation. The supported operating systems for the sensor deployment are listed on this screen. Before proceeding with the deployment, ensure that you add exceptions both inbound and outbound for the ports shown on this screen in the Windows firewall. The GUI method of installation can be done via command prompt and using an agent INI file. First, we will have a look at the MSI installation via command prompt. Once you have the agent or sensor MSI package, extract the package which would contain the agent INI, EventTracker sensor MSI file, and the README text. Now launch the command prompt as an administrator and change the directory to the agent MSI folder path. Type the command as shown here. Please note that in case you wish to have minimal screens while proceeding through the installation wizard, you can add the parameter minimum GUI as 1. Execute the command, post which you will be shown the installation wizard to proceed further. In the configuration screen, it will fetch the details from the command line. Click Install and finally click the Finish button to complete the installation process. Once installed successfully, it will launch the server connectivity status window which displays the connectivity status. For verifying, you can go to the install directory and check the folder structure. Now, we will have a look at the MSI installation via the agent INI file. Edit the agent INI file and enter the fields as shown. Next, open the command prompt as administrator and then change the directory to the agent MSI folder path. Type the command as shown and hit enter. It will display the installation screens for you to proceed. Click Install. And finally, click the Finish button to complete the installation process. For more information on the sensor or agent deployment, please refer How to install the EventTracker sensor at EventTracker.com. This concludes a brief demonstration on the installation of the sensor through the user interface method in EventTracker. Thank you.